Are you guys alright? Oh. Oh. Yeah, so we were on our way to Colorado until a deer fucking yeah, not fucking good. Not good at all. Stranded part 2. Right now we're driving to car rental. That's fucking smashed. We're really close to Colorado. We almost made it this time. Look at this view. Look at this sweet view. Let's go.
I'll never drive a car with a tinted front windshield again.
Get all the
deer shit.
Don't look too bad. Is that what that is? Deer fucking Dardan made a deer shit himself when he hit it. Yeah, this looks fucked. Alright, so this is where we landed this time. We're in Nebraska. We're like fucking 10 miles from the Colorado border. We almost made it. Psych. We ain't letting that shit stop us. Fucking road trip goes on.
Oh, fucker.
Yeah, St. Mary's Glacier, let's get it.
Careful, Brian. Grab onto that fucking log up to your right. To your right.
It's slippery, so just hold on. It's slipping. I am slipping down this shit. Little smoke break. Yeah, we could rock climb that.
Oh my god, is there water?
Yeah, it's the lake.
Oh, no way. No way.
This is Whittleby?
No way.
This is Whittleby awake.
Definitely gonna get wet.
How high can you get?
Is there anything up there?
Top of the mountain.
I thought I saw a lodge or something up there.
Oh, I think the little shack I kind of remember.
Damn, Dardan, you got up there quick.
That's pretty.
Oh, don't wanna go.
Okay, that's pretty tall.
Yeah, you're pretty up there. That's a solid like 12 feet.
Oh my god, someone steamed on this.
What are you guys doing?
Right here, it looks like they're banging.
Ooh.
Don't want to break.
We need one at a time. You're trying two at a time, maybe that's making it too strong.
Oh my god, this is hard.
Yeah. This fire, that's really good.
Before I fucking have to wrap it up.
He's bleeding. He's bleeding! Who's bleeding? Who's bleeding?